Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling green hills, there lived a boy named Lamb. Lamb was known for his mischievous nature and his knack for telling tall tales. He would often make up grand adventures and boast about his extraordinary feats, capturing the attention and admiration of his friends. One sunny day, a traveling circus arrived in the village. One evening, a wise old man named Mr. Johnson overheard Lamb's tales. He knew that Lamb was simply making things up to impress others. Concerned about the boy's habit of stretching the truth, Mr. Johnson decided to teach Lamb a valuable lesson about the importance of honesty. The next day, Mr. Johnson called Lamb to his house. He sat the boy down and told him a story about a young shepherd who used to cry wolf for fun, causing panic among the villagers. One day, when a real wolf appeared, the villagers ignored the shepherd's cries, thinking it was another false alarm. The sheep were scattered, and the shepherd learned a painful lesson about the consequences of not speaking the truth. As Mr. Johnson finished his story, Lamb's face turned thoughtful. He realized that his constant lying could have serious repercussions, just like the shepherd's false cries. From that moment on, he made a promise to himself to always speak the truth no matter what. Lamb started practicing honesty in his daily life. He admitted his mistakes, took responsibility for his actions, and stopped exaggerating his adventures. His friends noticed the change in him and began to trust him more. Lamb felt happier and more content because he knew he was doing the right thing. Word of Lamb's transformation spread throughout the village, and soon he became known as the boy who always spoke the truth. His newfound reputation brought him genuine friendships, admiration, and a sense of pride that no tall tale could ever match. And so, dear children, remember the story of Lamb and the lessons he learned. Always speak the truth, for honesty is like a precious gem that shines brightly and brings joy to your life and the lives of those around you.